Hey, what is up, everybody? It is Matt and Tom here from the Hernandez team, and we just wanted to touch base with you guys, and we're always thinking about how can we bring you guys value, and this is one of the things that we're cooking up, and why don't you tell them a little bit about what we're doing?
Well, with the market changing, interest rates going up, and just everything kind of going on, inflation and everything like that, we've been getting a good number of phone calls from our past clients, our sphere of influence, of people really wanting to know the value of their home. And we're finding, Matt, that these third-party websites are just giving them a general range.
Right.
So what we've been doing is we've been actually giving them, how did you say it?
Well, we want to, if you're interested in a more comprehensive report, we're going to do it very similar to an appraiser. I want you to run them through the details of what we're going to do.
Appraisers are going to have, they have to stay within 300 square feet typically of your property above and below.
Right.
They're going to have to stay within 10 years of your build, and they're probably going to have to stay within a mile. So we are going to run searches just like that for you. So really micro into what the value is of your place. We can send it out to you on a monthly basis, free of charge. And of course, and we just want to make sure that you guys are getting the critical information that you guys need to know in the housing market, because it's changing right now. There's no doubt about it. Mm-hmm. And there's a certain lag time that we're seeing right now, because as the market's going up or down, we really don't see a lot of that indicators until maybe 60, 90 days after that. And we really want you to have a benchmark now of value, so that maybe fourth quarter you've got a better understanding of where the market's going in your area as well.
Yeah, so if you guys are interested, definitely reach back out to us. Stay tuned for more content that we're going to have. We got a couple more podcasts that are getting ready to come out pretty soon. So like I said, reach out to us. We'd love to be your one-stop shop real estate team.
Yep, we're here for all your needs, guys. Talk to you in a bit. Bye.